Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the April Allure Beauty Box. Okay, let's begin. So when you open the box, it comes with this card or magazine that tells you what's inside and the price of every item inside. Okay, let's continue. So the first item I see here is the Main Magic Multi-Benefit 10-in-1 Primer, and it's to detangle, fight frizz, and for heat protecting. Okay, so the full size item of this retails for $12. Okay, let's go on to the next item. The next item is the Louie Balance Hydrating and Calming Serum, and the full price of this retails for $15. Okay, let's move on. The next item is the Sisley Green Solution Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment by Dr. Jart. And this, the full size of this retails for $52. Let's see what it looks like. So on the inside it has this greenish tint to it. Okay, let's move on. The next item is the Allure Skin Balance Toner. The full size of this retails for $55. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like. It's in liquid form. Okay. Let's move on to the next item. The next item is this Thrive Cosmetics Fuller Lip Liner. Okay, so the price of this is $20, and let's see what the color looks like. The color is Valencia Pomegranate. Looks like a fuchsia color. Let's see how it swatches though. So it's a very berry pink color. Okay. Let's go on to the next item. The next item is this Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask. And this retails for $18 for a pack of 6. And you could have gotten this one or the matcha green tea face mask, sheet mask as well. So it could have been one or the other. And the last item in the box is this perfume. It's a Viktor & Ralph Flower Bomb perfume, and the full price of this retails for $115. So let's check it out. This is actually a great smelling perfume. I've smelled this before, and the packaging is so cute. And it's a good floral scent. If you like floral scents, you will definitely like this. So that was the last item in the box. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.